Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Gosia and I make nail related videos. Today I have for you a nail art tutorial of this very easy yet effective nail design. I showed you these nails on my Instagram. Actually, make sure to follow me if you don't. And you totally loved it, so I decided to make a tutorial to show you how easy it is to make. So if you are interested to see how I created this desert sunset nail art, then please keep on watching. So first things first, I apply base coat to protect my natural nails and to smooth out the surface. Next, I apply 2 coats of Lovella from ORLY, but obviously you can use any nude shade as a base color. Later on, I apply my master shade. As you can see, I applied it kind of in a circular shape as I want it to be the sun. Next, I applied my darkest brown shade. This one is supposed to imitate the desert hills that are in the background and to create some dimension. Next, I applied a lighter brown shade, again to create more interest and dimension in the nail art. Now using the lightest shade and thin nail art brush, I create some kind of path, as you can see. You can also do that with nail polish brush, but I feel like with small nail art brush, I have more control of what I'm doing. And if you make it with nail polish brush, later on you can adjust the bottom line with the lighter brown shade and it will create the same effect. Remember that it doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, my lines are not the straightest because I'm not the best at freehanding, but this nail art looks great if it's not perfect. And the last step to create this design is to make a couple of cactus. Making cactus is really easy. If you never tried it before, you can practice on a piece of paper as I'm doing right here. Basically, these are just 3 strokes, 1 line in the middle, and then you make 2 strokes on both sides that are connected to more or less the middle of the baseline. You can practice to see how you like your cactus. You can make 2 arms, you can make 3. It's totally up to you and totally up to your liking. Also, if you have some spare space, you can make these 3 striped plants near the path we created just before. I think it looks very cool and also it creates some more interest to the nail art. So now that we practice, it is time to make our cactus on the nail. As on the paper, I start with longer line and then I make 1 more on each side and connect it to the base. Here you can see it once again, 1 line in the middle and 2 more, 1 on each side. By the way, you could also use black acrylic paint for this design. It will work perfectly well. I just didn't have one. I also added 3 small dots at the top and at the bottom to have some more of this black. I just like the look of it. Now to finish it off, I apply a generous amount of a top coat. And last but certainly not least, I apply matte top coat. This step is optional, but honestly, I think this nail art looks way better in matte. And this is it, the nail art is ready. I hope that you liked that video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. And thanks for watching. Bye!